instructions by Reese, Ben, Jack, Jonathan, and Alexis. Our original design is different from the final design because there is no pulley, no remote, no pool noodle. There was no pulley because it kept falling. There was no noodle because the baseball kept falling off. The challenge to get it to work is everything kept. We needed to keep. The thing we needed to keep for it to work is everything except for popping a balloon. The most challenging part of this project, the first design, the pulley and the ramp would not work because the pulley and ramp would not work. Our group worked well together. We worked well together in the second design.